Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is January 15th, 2025. This is a quick update about Bitcoin and altcoins. Okay, so far, so accurate. Okay, it's not good or bad. It's just, if we're on track. It's a question of if we're on track with our larger trading plan. Okay, up or down, it doesn't matter. You can take advantage of both. You just have to understand what's likely to happen and position yourself accordingly. So this is why I'm not saying so far so good. It's just according to plan, right? And the plan is what? That Bitcoin is at resistance. If you look around social media in the Bitcoin space, everybody's throwing a parade, kind of elated that Bitcoin has pumped a few percentage points. It's that bad. You know it's bad when you get literally a 1% move and everybody 3% move, a 3% move, and everybody's kind of fainting from joy. It's not what you think it is. At least those of you who watch this channel know what I'm talking about, but most people don't. This move right here that we've experienced about in the past 48 hours is a corrective move to the upside. People don't understand. There are such things as corrective moves to the upside. Okay, and this is quite likely a flat correction. You never want to trust a move to the upside that starts like this, because that more likely than not means what's coming next is something like that. Okay, the other thing I talked about, but really I think it's really clear and clean, and Fibonacci's and Elliott wave, all that stuff aside, just really brass tacks, simple pattern analysis shows quite clearly what's happening here. You have a bearish reversal pattern. Okay, it looks like a rounded top. When we say rounded, obviously it's not round, it's more tented or triangular, but the idea is price tries to make a top, makes one final push, and every time after that last push it loses steam gradually. This is how you get those patterns. Okay, there are reasons for these patterns that we see all the time in the charts, and this is what we call a head and shoulders pattern, a bearish reversal pattern. This is quite literally printing on the chart and has been printing on the chart for the past 70 days. Okay, so for the past 70 days, you've been printing this quite convincing bearish reversal pattern. Okay, and right here I drew this in. You're stuck at important resistance. I said 99 and I arrived at that conclusion using other means. You can check the previous videos, but I was using Elliott wave analysis, I was using Fibonacci, and I said 99k is my target, and I don't see it breaking 99k. Okay, and now I'm just not even looking at that because I want to look at this. I feel like looking at this pattern analysis today, and only this pattern analysis, and this pattern analysis is quite accurate insofar as we have a clean and clear resistance of about 30 days, and every single time price has hit this line, it has rejected. Okay, I don't expect anything different, and each and every time that has happened, you can see we put in some sort of small consolidation, right? Because price doesn't just move on a dime. Very rarely does it do so. It typically puts in some sort of consolidative pattern before switching directions. But the direction switch is what's really going to trap everybody. I want you to really, really take in the mass feeling, the mass emotion on Bitcoin and crypto, right? The talking points. Trump is coming to save us. Oh, CPI was bullish. This and that and the third. This is why you can completely ignore those things if you do good technical analysis, because it should all be quite clear, and it's quite easy to get roped into a lot of these themes, a lot of these stories that are going on around the market. Just look at what the chart's telling you. The chart's telling you the trend is exhausted, this local trend, this little bitty trend, and what's coming next is nasty. It's really nasty. So markets tend to do that. They tend to, hey, everybody, look over here, right? You're looking, all your attention's here. You think we're going here? Psych! And that is like what markets do. That's kind of the job of the market. It's kind of how you get an equilibrium where people are putting money in. A lot of people are putting money into the market right now. You know, betting on Bitcoin going up. They're probably not even seeing this 30-day resistance. They probably think we're close enough to 100K. That was like, that's high, right? That's 6 figures, right? Understand the market mentality, or not the market mentality, understand the mentality of your average market participant. And I think if you want to outperform the average market participant, it pays to understand how most of them think. They think very simplistically. Price is going up, it must continue to go up. Oh, Trump is coming, it must be quite bullish. It's like, it has nothing to do with that necessarily. Because even if it was bullish, then it begs the question, how is it bullish? How much is it bullish? When will that bullishness sort of affect the price, right? All those questions have to be answered before you make trades based off of that news. In any case, we're at resistance. I don't expect resistance to be broken. I do expect in the coming hours, days, some consolidation at resistance, and then a reversal of that trend. You'll see in about 24 hours, if we're still here around this period, you'll start to see some doubt. And they'll say, oh man, it hasn't moved. I want my money back, or something like that. And then they'll start to see what's coming, okay? Now, altcoins. Yesterday was all about the altcoins pretty much. And we said, I put out a buy me a coffee update, right, for my supporters. I put out an exclusive update as to how I thought altcoins were particularly close to breaking out, given what I'm seeing on the Bitcoin dominance chart, given what we're seeing in certain altcoin charts, okay? And let me go to the daily time frame. So yeah, this is pretty much what I was saying yesterday in the Buy Me a Coffee update. And by the way, if you want access to that exclusive update, just, you know, either become a member of the Crypto Portfolio and Mentorship Consultation program, or you can just buy me a coffee, donate either through Buy Me a Coffee or through other means. If you donate through Venmo or Cash App, I can add you no problem to the Buy Me a Coffee membership group. In any case, I was saying how this is a 100-day resistance right here, okay? And this right here is showing us really strong divergence on the daily time frame, and strong bearish divergence has yet to, now it's confirmed. So I said it's 24 to 48 hours confirmation. Why? Because it's on the daily time frame. What a daily candle is 24 hours. It was really close. It seems like those K and D lines have crossed officially. That is confirmed. Strong bearish divergence. That means this high and this high, although, let's try that one more time. Let's get closer in. Okay, good. You're making a higher high on the chart. You're making a lower high on the stochastic RSI. That means this is going down. And we've already done a thorough analysis of Bitcoin dominance. Did I say stochastic RSI? I meant Bitcoin dominance. and Bitcoin dominance is in the final stages of high time frame reversal. That means when Bitcoin dominance is going down, altcoins gain against Bitcoin. That is alt season, or at least the beginning of it. And there are certain altcoins that are going to take advantage of that. So this is what I was talking about in yesterday's sort of quick buy me a coffee update. Obviously, I did a YouTube update yesterday as well, but I just wrote some ideas down because I'm always looking at the charts, and I thought, okay, this is interesting. So like I was talking about, I was basically tracing out consolidations and saying that this was very close to happening, and I think we are getting breakouts right here. And don't be surprised if in the next 24 to 48 hours, as Bitcoin is consolidating at resistance, these altcoins continue to show strength and move 100, 150, 200%. Not all of them, again, not all altcoins. Some of them, the altcoins that we've been discussing that are on support, the ones that are at resistance may not do, they're unlikely, very unlikely to do those kinds of gains in the next 24 to 48 hours. That's just the time frame that I'm guessing this all happens in. Guys, this is all I have for you. It's not going to be a long update today. Got a lot of other things to do later on, but I hope this was helpful. I hope this was useful. Like, share, and subscribe. If you got value, consider buying me a coffee or donating by Venmo, Cash App, donating me Litecoin, all at the pinned comment below. And do consider the crypto portfolio consultation service. I think it's very useful, and you can sign up for that also at the pinned comment below, helping you figure out what to invest in the bull run, because not everything is going to pump. There are certain things that are not going to pump. A lot of things are, but a lot of things aren't. There are tens of thousands of different assets in the cryptocurrency space. You don't want to pick one that is at resistance or one that is just going to go sideways where the others make life-changing gains. So that's the idea, and I help you with entries and exits one-on-one with me, 1 to 2 hours every month. You can sign up for that once again at the pinned comment. All right, take care, guys. Bye.
The